Hey guys, Dr. Dave here, and guess what? We are here for another Cairn unboxing. It is what month, guys?
October.
October, that's right. Halloween month, right? Alright, so let's see if there's some Halloween goodies in this month's Cairn box. Alright, so let's open her up. There we go, the usual on the inside of the box. One hall pass, good for getting out of here and going out there. So let's see what's in here. Let me open up the newsletter and see what we got. Alright, let's see here, people. What do we have? Alright, so the very first thing, we got some food. Always like food. Thank you, Cairn. I have mentioned several times that you should always have some type of food item in there, and I do appreciate that. Thanks for the food. This is Cliff Bar Duos. This is 2 flavors in one small bar. Have y'all had any of these? I've never had one. This is crunchy peanut butter and chocolate brownie. That sounds good. I'm going to put this in the snack box, and I should video it, but it would be really fun to watch them fight over it. It's like a battle royal, like a cage match. Like I could throw this into the cage and just watch them fight. Yeah, so I'll let you know who lives. All right, next thing. We have some lip balm. Oh, this isn't just lip balm. This is from Radlands. Full spectrum, 50 milligrams CBD lip balm. That is pretty awesome. I didn't even know there was such a thing as CBD lip balm. Does that mean my lips are going to feel tingly? But it's called Lip Balm Diggity. You think I'm going to let you guys use this? You guys want some CBD lip balm? Full spectrum hemp extract. This is pretty awesome. This is pretty complicated, so stay with us. Okay, step 1, apply lip balm to lips. Step 2, oh shoot, it's actually just the one step. Nice. Actually looking forward to trying that. Alright, so the next, what is this? Alright, so what is this, guys? It is a bone dry from Fossil Outdoor. Don't air dry it, bone dry it. Hydration pack dryer. Well, I gotta be honest with you, oh, this is awesome. I didn't even know this existed. Look at this. Alright, so for those of you that use hydration packs, like Camelbacks and from some of the other brands, pretty much most people just call them Camelback. This is pretty cool because if you are like any of us normal people, it's a little hard sometimes to clean your hydration packs and dry them out. And sometimes when you get that first sip after a long mountain bike ride, it tastes like mold. And so it's a little hard actually sometimes to clean them good. So this is pretty cool. Apparently you rinse your hydration bladder, insert this with the end hanging out. So this actually wicks all the moisture out of the hydration pack. That's pretty cool. I'm actually looking forward to trying this. Because you may not have seen on some of the other videos, I'm training for an ultra marathon. Normally I use Nalgene bottles in my backpack, but if I'm training for an ultra, I'm going to have to use a hydration bladder system. And so this is pretty cool. If I'm going to be training with it a lot and using it a bunch, I'm going to need this. And wow, that's actually pretty neat. It's a product I had no idea. Did you know about those? No. You know anything about that? All right, so here we go. A Droplet Dry Bag. Well, that's pretty cool. Oh, there. It's a little dry bag. 3-liter dry bag that's folded up this small. It's a tiny little cute little thing. See how cute it is? It just sits there. It's so cute. Let's tear it open. All right, so let's see. Oh, wow. Look at this. It's in this little dry bag thing. Now, if you were a spy, you could hide things in this and insert it into your rectum, but we won't do that because we're not spies. And we also don't traffic in drugs. But this is pretty cool. So unfold the little rubber thing there. There's a little cute little raindrop. That's pretty neat. And so, wow.
That's silk. We could like put water in and then freeze it.
Yeah, it is silicone. You can make raindrop shaped ice cubes.
Yeah.
There we go. It's a little tiny dry bag. That's pretty neat. Or a hat. No, it doesn't work for a hat. Matador Droplet. So this is from Matador. And it's pretty cool. You know, and I've got lots of dry bags, but I'll be honest with you, I like the packaging. This is pretty cool. I mean, you could buy a dry bag anywhere, but where else can you buy one that's shaped like a raindrop? And so small. It actually fits on a keychain. You could keep water inside of it. Okay. Yeah, I've seen some that they don't recommend putting water inside to carry water with. But it's waterproof and you can keep water inside. That's pretty cool. I'm jazzed about this. This has been a good box. Let's see.
One thing.
Yeah, what you got? No sticker. No sticker. So, Cairn, on the box you get I'll give you a 10 out of 10 on this box. But with the asterisk the caveat that there was no sticker. Please bring the stickers back. Please. All right, let me look at the newsletter, see if there's anything else I want to tell you about the stuff that's in here. I'm guessing some of these are new companies too, or at least I've never heard of them. That Lip Balm Diggity, that's pretty cool. 50 milligrams full spectrum CBD, that's pretty cool. All right, so the Cliff Bar. We are a big fan of Cliff Bars, aren't we? What's your favorite flavor?
Crunchy peanut butter.
Crunchy peanut butter, what about you?
That's mine.
Crunchy peanut butter. A lot of them like the white
chocolate macadamia.
White chocolate macadamia.
Mine is peanut butter.
Yours is peanut butter. Mine is the there's a blueberry one I really like. But we are a big fan of Cliff Bars. You haven't? We're gonna have to fix that, aren't we?
Yeah.
But yeah, we like them so much, like for snack times and trail food, that we'll buy big boxes at Costco in bulk and use them. All right, so the Matador. Let's see what else is. All right, let's see the Matador. Blah blah blah. Nothing different about that, but man, that's pretty cool. And then the Bone Dry. If I'm I am pronouncing it right because they told me right here. The world's best solution for drying hydration backpacks. Instead of air drying or tossing it into the freezer, rinse it, insert the Bone Dry, and put your gear away. It will absorb moisture, leaving it fresh and dry. Made from sustainably sourced materials from Fossil Outdoor. That's pretty cool. I am well pleased. All right. Anything else you guys want to add?
I think I will give it a 9 because of the sticker.
All right. She gives it a 9. No sticker.
I'm still kind of disappointed about the sticker.
Let's give it a 9 for you then. Like down 1 point. So what about you, buddy? What number do you give it? 1 out of 10. Maybe
I'm going with 10 million because it's the sticker.
Oh, okay. That's what you get from Sherlock. All right, so y'all say goodbye. Bye. 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 All right, say goodbye, farm. There we go. Bye, farm. All right, see y'all later. See you next time.